I did not think that this is how I would start my vlog, but here we are.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here.
Hi everyone. I did not think that this is how I would start my vlog, but here we are because I woke up late and Miss Madam over here has to go for a walk. She's meowing a lot. I'm hoping that meowing is out of love. But yeah, I've had like hot water and I've had my breakfast. I haven't had my tea, which is really sad. I'm gonna go back and have it for sure. But today is like my orientation and the first day. Why did that guy hold? Okay, today is my first day of orientation. Yes, baby, yes. Today is my first day of orientation and it starts at 1 and it goes on till 4. And then I have also been accepted to be a volunteer for Couch. The orientation of that, of which is from 5 to 6. And then I have my usual Couch workshop that I'm attending. It's going to be a long day. And yes, never in my life did I think I would start a vlog like this, but I'm in my home clothes and my jacket because I did not think it would be raining today, but it is.
I haven't thought about you in a while. I haven't thought about that beautiful smile and how it used to make my heart go wild.
After I came home and had my wonderful tea while watching some cute Japanese bakery videos, I started doing lunch because I have to do lunch. And it was this vegetable that my mom used to make. I obviously did not end up making it as good as she would, but I did give it a try. I had asked her for her recipe as well, and my mom was just so good at cooking vegetables that we never even questioned, like, oh, what is this? We just had it happily. And I think my mom should be so freaking proud of that because I don't see myself not liking a vegetable, especially the ones my mom made, because she would make it so flavorful and so amazing that I was always in love with it. And I've reached to a point where I want to make it myself. So, as you all can see here, there was quite a bit of chaos going on with me eating and cooking as well. So, if you all are confused, it was because there was only very little left from what had been made yesterday, and there was no lunch for anyone in the house who wanted to eat more. So, I was cooking lunch for them and also for me when I come back in the evening while having my lunch because I had to also then get ready to go to my orientation. And as you can see, I'm literally in my home clothes over here. So it was all about like multitasking and saving time. And I am actually kind of used to this because when I used to live alone, this is what I had to do. Because if it would be late when I came back from work, I would not have had time to cook lunch for the next day. And yeah, this chaos is a part of my life. Hi everyone, I'm finally back. I finished cooking, I finished having my food, and I also finished taking a bath because I was just too exhausted and tired as well. But I realized I did not give you all a proper explanation. So today is kind of like my first day of work. Yes, I got a job and I am so freaking excited because I got this job at RMIT itself. Yes, there'll be a video coming on how to get a job at RMIT, I promise. But right now, we're gonna go get ready because, like I told you all, I have to be there at 1 because that's when the orientation starts. I also wanted to show you all what I'm wearing. So, this is the top. You guys have seen this in the last game, like when I went to the football match. And it's so funny because I wasn't even planning on buying this top. Like, I got this from Valley Girl. And I'm not sure how to explain this, but when I saw it on like just the visual, it wasn't looking that great. So I was like, but let me try anyway. And out of all the clothes I bought that day, this is my absolute favorite. I'm pretty sure I've worn it like 4 to 5 times already. Anyway, I'm just gonna pair this with a black pant because that is the most formal I can get. And let's go. Let's go to orientation. Let's go to our first day of work. Same jacket, different outfit. Definitely going to do a outfit of the day later on. But oh shit, I think I'm gonna miss this round because one just went that side. Anyway, I'm gonna go do outfit of the day later. It was very chaotic because in between I realized there was no rice. Let's catch the tram.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams. Because it's still like vacation time and the semester hasn't started, RMIT is really, really empty. Like, these tables are always going to be full when the semester is on, and it's raining today, so I'm assuming that's why there's not a lot of crowd. But let's go to the student hub where my orientation is going to be. Seems so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I unfollow you? I know y'all might have expected me to record way more, but because this was like a orientation, I did not really want to give out any confidential stuff, which is why in the previous clip, even though I zoomed it, I blurred it because again, I am not taking any risk. I love this job. It is one of my favorite things to do, and I never thought that the fan edits and just like the video editing and doing social media would lead me here, but it has led me here, and I'm so incredibly grateful. So I'm not taking any risks with this opportunity. I did not have the wildest idea that someone was vouching there for me, and this has mainly come from me volunteering and interacting and networking with people. So if you're watching this video and also you have in mind that you want an RMIT, you want a job at RMIT, I have said this on Instagram as well, and I will keep telling this here. And it's not just about RMIT, it's about any university in Melbourne or Australia. Volunteering does matter because it gives you access to opportunities and opens up doors that you genuinely would not have thought existed. So I am so glad this orientation was simple. It was just briefing us about what it is, what's going to happen. The main roles that technically we will be focusing on right now is the orientation. So for the students who are going to be coming to RMIT in July, you will be seeing me during the orientation, taking pictures and videos. So if you see me, please do say hi. I would love to speak to y'all. I would love to connect with y'all, and I'm always there. I do see a lot of messages on my Instagram, and it gets hard to reply to every single person individually, which is why I keep saying, please drop any comments on YouTube channel if you have any questions, because it will be easier for me to reply to y'all here. But that's what's happening. I did tell y'all about orientation. I did end up going to the couch, and it was such a fun time. I don't take videos over there because, again, I'm just there enjoying it. But yesterday was so much fun because our teacher ended up giving us like some prop costumes and ended up making us like do a dance, and it was such a fun dance. And I don't know how, but like we synced so well, and I don't know, I was just laughing at the end of the day. And considering how chaotic and long this day was, the fact that I was just laughing and I had a genuinely good time just makes it all worth it. And to be honest, that is kind of how your university experience is going to be in Australia. It's going to be chaotic, it's going to be hard, but it's all about finding the right space and the right people for you to connect with, and that makes it all absolutely worth it. I was about to end this vlog, and then I just realized I did not tell y'all my iconic ending line. So before y'all leave this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Trust me when I say I put a lot of effort for these videos. So your small act of just subscribing means the entire world to me and really does make a difference. And I will see y'all on the next one. Oh, before I leave, if y'all have any questions, please put them in the comment section below, and I promise to respond to all of them. Bye bye. I haven't thought about you in a while. I haven't thought about that beautiful smile.